Hello everyone. We will build a portfolio, simple portfolio for a college student. So let's start. In the portfolio, we are going to show first section will be about section one will be about the let's say about me. Okay, and the second section will be what my education, and the third section will be what my projects, and then fourth is section 4, connect with me, connect. Okay, so these four sections we are going to create in our portfolio. So let's start building. Let's take first HTML boiler template, and here I will write the title as portfolio. Just open with live server. If you don't have this extension, please install this extension. Here you can see portfolio. Okay, so today in this video we are going to use only HTML and CSS. Later I will upload video on Bootstrap as well, but this video we are going to use only HTML and CSS. Okay, so for the extension you can here search live server, and this you can install. Okay, to okay, you can see here on this port number where this is running. Okay, so let's start. First, what we need is we have different section as we are going to sing. First section is of about me. Before that, what we need a navigation bar. If you visit any website, like if I go on Flipkart, okay, here you can see what is this. This is if I click on appliances or electronics, here it is showing different things, but if I like click on anything, it will go in that section. Okay, it will redirect to that section page. But as today we are going to build only one page, okay, for our portfolio. Here you can see index.html. You can use multiple pages if you have more things to show. Okay, but here we are just simply creating a portfolio, like simple thing where we are showing the education, the like your resume. Okay, so this is a navigation bar. So we also need a navigation bar. One is home. Second is what? Second is same as this about me, my education, my projects, connect. Okay, so we need a navigation bar, and this simple portfolio we are going to build. I'm going to upload a two videos, part 1 and part 2. Okay, so this is the part 1. First, let's say section dot navbar. So this navbar is what? This is a class. Okay, so in that what we need is, let's say we will take one UL. This is what? Unordered list. In that li, in that if I take a, if you want what, if you want a link, we can here add the link. It will redirect to that page. Okay, I'll add here home. Now what we want such allies. How many? 4. What about me? Here my education. Here we'll write my projects and connect. So here, let's see how it is showing. Yeah. So this is what? This is the list. So it is showing like that. But we want what? We want here the pictures are there. So just ignore that and consider this. Okay, this as your thing. Cart become a seller and this dots. We don't want this. We just want this three. Similar to this, we have to show here home, about me, my education, my project, and connect. How we will do? Using CSS. Yeah. So here what we need to do, we will use a same in the same page we are going to use this style. Okay, CSS dot navbar, this section I want. Okay, in that navbar ul. Okay, in that this in ul we have this lis, so I want it to display flex. Let's see, is there any change? Yeah, here you can see display flex. And I don't want that that dots as well. That dot is coming forward this li. So what we can do is text decoration, as we will write none. So no list. Will no. This is not text decoration. This we are going to use for the underline. Here the list type, right? List style none. So let's see. Yeah, here you can see the dots gone. Now, before that, for here one thing we can see, there is some margin and padding. So for that, initially we have to do this star margin 0, padding 0. Yeah, now you can see it is touching. Now what we want, list style none, display flex. I want it on the right side. So justify content. What? Or we can write this space between as well. So it will come in this way. And if we write space around, it will come like this. And if I write, let's say justify content right, so it went right. Okay, so instead what we will write center. We will use center. Yeah, like this. Now what I want space in between this one, after home, after me, and all. So what I will write a pad. I will say padding navbar ul, in that li padding as, let's say, 10 pixel. Yeah, we want some more, so write 15 pixel. I want some more. Okay, yeah, here you can see that is fine. Now I want to remove this underline. Now what I will do is, in this now, but let's instead we will take this style in another file as it will grow. Right. New file style dot css, and I will take this all in this, and we will add a link here. Okay, so if I click on this, yeah, it is going here. So it should work. Yes. Now I want to what? I want to remove that underlines. That underlines are because of this A tag. So where is the A? In li. Okay, in li and A. Navbar ul li A, text decoration none. Yes, you can see. Now this is, there is no underline. Okay. Now just what we will do is we will give a background color to what? To navbar. Background color. Okay. And we will give what? Color. That means text color. We will give as Let's try black, how it looks. It is. Wait, we have to give. We will give it in, or we didn't saved. I'm not sure. If we didn't saved, it will not show. Okay. If I try, let me try here as the text is here. Yeah, you can see it is showing. Now if I show here, you can see this pointer because this is a link. Okay, but we have not provided any link to it. Now, what I want in home is I will just let me check if it is 100. Yeah, 100 only. I will increase the font size. Okay, fine, but this is a too much. We will reduce it to 1.5 rem. Yeah, that now it is fine. So now, um, okay, in the home, what you want to add is you can add a picture here of some. Okay, mm, we will add one this what kind of picture here, or we can just add your this profile about me only directly instead of this home. Here your picture and about you. Okay, so let's say I am going to use my LinkedIn data. Yeah, here if I will use this same thing, and I will use the same profile, save image as, and here I will store. Hmm. Instead of here, I will download and I will wait. I can directly store into this YouTube video. Okay, I have already a photo, so I can use that, or just I will here I can check. Yeah, VS Code here where portfolio, in portfolio I'll add this profile. Okay, now I will use this description, same description. Okay, so you can check out my LinkedIn profile if you want to know about me. Okay, now here I want what two sections. One is two things, two divisions I can say, not section, because we will have one section as about me, and in that two division, one will be for our photo and one will be our description. So let's now code. So after this section, we have about me. Okay, here section dot about. So instead I can write id as well. Okay, no issue. mm, in that I want two div. Let's say I will write box 1. We'll try with box, and because we want two divs, right? If same css, then box is fine. So let's say I will write div 1, and here I will write div 2. Okay, here you can say div 1 and div 2. Now I want its width. Okay, first I will do what for about, about. Okay, here I'll write dot about display flex. Yeah, and justify content. I will write center. Okay, fine. Now I'll try this about box. In about box. No need. Only box. Okay, because that is this is UL and LI, not the classes. Okay. I can write. I can try with 50%. Let me check how it shows. Okay, so 50-50. Okay. Now, in box, I want display flex and justify content center. Okay, now you can see center and center. Now I want what? I want good padding. Before that, let's say I'll add some padding is 30 pixel, or I can add directly in percent 20%. Too much, right? Um, hmm. Now it is fine, but still okay. We will change the padding. Before that, we will let's add an image. IMG source will be what? This profile.jpg. Okay, this is fine. I want border radius and all. Here I'll write profile, and here instead of due to we'll use a paragraph where I copied. I'll have to copy the this thing. Yeah. Okay. Here you can see this is about me, and I just copy pasted the things. Now what we are going to do is I will just use a border radius to the this to make it look good, little good. Okay. Now in box image border radius 10 pixel. Yeah, you can see little good. Now I'll write 20. Fine, right? Or we need more. This is fine, I feel. And we can give some background color like this. This is not a white, right? So we can give this kind of background color to this box. Background color instead of box, we can give to the about background color. This one. Let's see how it looks. I'm fine with it. Now our thing is this one. Let's do dot box and that p font size too much, huh? But we'll see. 1.5. Okay. This is fine, but I want this image and this instead of 50. Okay. Okay, now I will write box 1 and box 2. Or here I can write width equal to 30% and Let's check if did I save it or wait. What I'll do instead, I'll use a box 1 and here box 2, and let's check. Yeah, messed. Okay, now here for box 1, this is box 1 and this is box 2, and for box 2, this box 2. Hmm. Now what I'm saying is here if I write 30% and if here if I write 70%, how it looks? Fine. Let's just add one more thing about me, the name of server section. We missed that. Here I'll write h1 about me, and we want it in center. So anyway, we have to increase this font size. I'll write a class h1 primary. Okay, and here what I'll do is before this only, um font size to rem, display flex, justify content center. We don't need, we can do just a text center, text center, uh, text align center. Let's check. Okay, um h1 primary, or we can do align. Okay, for that also we have to write display flex, align item center also. So instead write a display flex and justify content center, or you can make use of a center tag. Okay, why it's not working? Mm-mm. H1 primary. Okay, let me check. Here you can see. Okay, font family is. I got it. Um, Here what we will do. I will add this in here. Hmm. Wait. Let's check. Because the what width we have added for this and this is total 100%, right? Instead I'll write outside. Let's check. Yeah, this is fine. We will increase this 4. Fine, I'm okay with it. Okay, this profile photo, and my name is Komal and this and all. Okay, so this was I didn't read. Okay, I just copy pasted from my this profile. Now this is what, this is about me. The next section is my education. So same thing, what, same, I'll copy this h1. Here I'll write my education ads. See, we already have this primary, so we don't need to write again the CSS. Here you can see my education. Again, this section Okay, we will not copy. Instead, what we can do is section dot education. Okay, here what we'll write, let's check here. My education. Right now I will just add this thing, that is my college degree, this and this grade. I can add this as well. So what we will do is, in the middle, okay, in the middle we will add this, like card. Okay, two cards. We can add this. Now in my education, again, what I need, as I said, first div dot box. Here I can, we can use a box, or we can use box one as well. If let's say I'll write something, I'll check some. Okay, so what we can do is, this box one, we'll write box only, and we will have two boxes, one and two. And in education, we do like this, one and one, or we want one and one, left or right, or just one below one. Okay, I will write a one below one. So let's write the, wait, maybe something I did wrong. Yeah, so I'll write box. Now my education dot box, background color I want the same, this one. And I want this padding as well. Okay, now what I want is, I want in margin 5%. Let's say I'll try. Yeah, this is fine, right? This is fine. This is fine. Here, what we will do is, we will add a education in what, in this, this we can write in H3, this we can write in H2, and this. Okay, so this is a part 1, and I will upload a part 2. After, in that we are going to see this education, my projects, and connect. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Stay updated for the part 2. Thank you.